All right. Um, all right, you are welcome back to the next course we have for today. I welcome you once again. The course is BDP 231. BDP 231. In our last class, I took time to discuss powders, the theory behind powders. I've sent you this material. I've sent you this material, and I believe by now you would have gone through it. But when he got to the exercises, I couldn't do anything because there was no I couldn't see no way to do the calculation. At least for the first time, you are new to the course. Maybe by the time I will did one calculation, from there you'll be able to do others. Okay. Now, okay, now if you look at that exercise one, that exercise one says preparation of what? Bulk powder for internal use. But the specific compound powder we prepare is compound magnesium carbonate powder. Compound magnesium carbonate was powder. BP 1988. You have what this is now. BP 1988. So what I want to do is this. I want to write down the formula. So I can teach you how to do the calculation. Remember, I told what I told you about official books. If you see a preparation that has an official book designated, that means the formula for that particular product is in that official book. Like this one now, compound magnesium carbonate powder for internal use, bulk powder for internal use. BP 1980. That means if you get British Pharmacopoeia 1988, you see the formula for this inside it. And that formula you see is what's called master formula. Master formula, because that is formula everybody that want to prepare that particular product should use. So far you are using BP. What it means is that depending on the quantity of the product you want to produce, you can either enlarge the formula or you reduce the formula. I told you that formula reduction or enlargement is one of the topics you will do in your pharmaceutical calculations, DDT 253. So I'll write the formula, then we'll look at it. You tell me whether this formula should be reduced for us to produce what we want, or whether we need to enlarge the formula for us to produce the amount we want. So look at the formula. Remember I told you that the formula of drug products in dispensing talks about the ingredients in that particular product and the amount of ingredients you need to prepare that particular product. Now, the first one here is what? Calcium carbonate. Calcium carbonate. Sorry. Calcium. What am I going to do instead? Calcium carbonates. That one is 400. 400 grams. The second one is heavy magnesium carbonates. heavy magnesium carbonates. That one is 400 grams too. The next one is sodium bicarbonate. Sodium bicarbonate, sorry. That one is 300 grams. Next one is light kaolin. Light kaolin, 100 grams. Light kaolin, 100 grams. All right. We are told to send direction, send 30 grams. And after sending 30 grams, we will label it 2 teaspoonfuls. 2 teaspoonfuls to be taken in water, not with water. If you say with water, what it means is that you carry the powder, put it in your mouth, then drink water. No. In water means you put in water, disperse or dissolve in water as case may be, and drink. Take the 1 teaspoonful is 5 ml. So 2 teaspoonfuls is 10 ml. So you get that your teaspoon. After preparing the powder, the dosage that you take that to 2 of them. That is after, what is it called? Let me not bring in but it's okay. Just know that 5 ml teaspoonful, the volume of for teaspoonful is 5 ml. 2 is 10 ml. So dessert spoonful is 10 ml one. Then tablespoon is 15 ml. That is the volume it occupies. But here now, just get a teaspoon. Take a teaspoonful. First one, put in water. Second one, put in water, and disperse before you now take. So it's in water, not with water. Now, the question here is this. If you look at this formula, this is the amount, all these things are in powder form, is the amount of the what ingredient you mix. If you mix this whole thing, what is the total weight? What total amount will they give you? Please, so someone should talk to me. What total amount will they give you? The final product be. Huh?
Nothing.
Are you having another class? Huh?
1,200.
Are you having another class now?
I'm not in the class. I'm just about to go in.
No, I am asking.
Hello.
We're having BDT. We're having BDT.
Please, let me understand though, please. What is the time for that BDT?
Sir, the time for that BDT is 9. But the man always come like around 10 or 11. So he's in class now.
Tell him that you're having lecture now. This is your lecture you are having. Tell him that you're having lecture. You should know. Okay, it is almost time, sir.
It's 9 to 12.
Okay, I thought you said he started his lecture by 9.
No, his last class is 9 to 12. So he's always coming around, let's say 10, 11.
So now, what is it? What time it does normally start class when it comes? That's the question I'm asking.
Sir, 10:30.
He start by 10:30.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So what is it? What is the total? Is what? The amount of this product should be what? The weight should what will it be in total? All is being equal.
Okay.
Huh?
$1,200.
God bless you. 1,200 grams. 1,200 grams. Now, from this official book, this thing here is the master formula. This one is the master formula. Call it the master formula. This is the master formula. The amount is 1,200 milligrams. Sorry, 200 grams. But you are asked to send to prepare. This send means prepare this particular product, but the amount is what? 30 grams. What are you going to do? From this master formula, you want to get a formula that if you weigh exactly all this is here, you cannot produce 30 grams of it because it will be more than XX. Now, what do you think we can do to this master formula to be able to get a formula? To be able to get a formula that will give us 30 grams. Who can tell me? What can we do? Are we going to enlarge the formula? Are we going to reduce the master formula to get 30 grams? Without it, you can never get the formula you need for this thing. So it's important you understand it. It's important you understand how to go about it. So tell me, what do you think? This one is common sense. It doesn't need a serious pharmaceutical calculation. Just tell me what do you think I can do to it? Since this formula can produce 1,200 grams, and
Reduction.
what I want is what?
Reduction. We reduce the master formula.
Reduction. Perfect. That being said, another question is now, how do we now reduce the master formula? I told you this before now, but let me just, because I was just saying it in abstract, so I'll read it on the board. Please listen carefully, watch as I do this one. So how you can reduce, okay, and let me ask another question. Let's assume that you are asked what you want, the amount you want to produce is 2,000 grams or 12,000 or 12 kilograms of this calcium magnesium carbonate powder. What are you going to do to this master formula? Will you enlarge it or will you reduce it? Are we there? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Chisom, class rep, are you there?
Yes, I'm here, sir.
I thought all of you have abandoned me here. I went to class lecture. So tell me, if you tell me now, what can we do to the formula if you are producing 12 kilograms of this particular medicine? Tell me, What are you going to do to this formula to be able to do that, achieve that? Are you going to reduce it or enlarge it? Hello? Okay, in that case, now you are going to enlarge the formula because what you want to produce is more than amount you want to produce is more than the amount in the master formula. So because the amount of what you want to produce is more than the amount in the master formula, in that case, you will enlarge the formula. Now let's go to the, since we have agreed that you will reduce the formula in this particular preparation, let's go over to discuss how you can reduce the formula. There is a topic. I don't know if you have done that in your physical calculation. Have you done ratio and proportion? Have you done it in your farm calc?
Yes, sir. You have done it.
So that means if it makes the work easier for me, you can use through ratio and proportion, you can reduce this formula. So you see what they're going to do here. There are two ways you can reduce it. You can reduce the formula using factor method. You determine a factor that you use to multiply everything here and get your answer. That one is simpler. But if you make a mistake in calculating the factor, everything you are doing is nonsense. So if you want to use factor method, be very careful. Then you can also do that using certain proportion with this and all these things here, and get the required amount for 30. If all this one is for 1,200, you can set proportion with 30 and 1,200 grams. And with a 400 gram, you find what will be under 30 gram for this particular compound. You set proportion with this and this, with this one for heavy magnesium, and get the amount that should be under amount of heavy magnesium that should be under 30 gram. And if 300 gram is under 200 gram, you set proportion with this and 300 gram. You get the amount of sodium bicarbonate that will be under 30 gram. This is what you do for all the ingredients, one after the other. It's longer than factor method. But me, I prefer using factor method. So let me clean this so I can have space to do what I want to do. You already have this formula in your lab manual. And yeah, just someone here said that I don't know whether you are here when someone said that your class start by 10:30. Is it true?
Sir, the class actually starts by 11. So what happened to case? It starts by 11, and for now we are about to start the class. That is why they were rushing you, sir.
Okay, so I be saying I should continue.
No, sir, we are just for now. We expect the class to start from 9 to 11.
Just okay. Let me just continue. Any change, you let me know, okay?
Sir, sir, the man is almost entering our class.
Yes, coming.
Yes, come.
You said what? Hello? What did you say? Chisom, are you there?
Sam, yeah. Sam, yes, sir.
You were saying something.
I said the class starts from 9 to 11. So for now, we already have class, but the lecturer has not started teaching us. So I don't know if you can round up whatever you are doing, sir, so that we can start the class.
Wait, I'm coming. Wait, I'm coming. Wait. Can you hear me?
Sir.
You said the class starts from 9 to 11.
No, I mean your own class. If you can start from 9 to 11.
Okay. That means my own time has elapsed now. Unless you want me to continue, so whatever you want me to stop, I will stop. Is that what you're saying? He has left the class. Or is it network? Okay, let me. Hey man. Please, can somebody here talk to me? Let me know what is happening, please. Someone should talk to me, please. Let me know what is happening. Whether I should end this class.
Yeah, the man is in class already. He's teaching us.
Okay, now. So that means we end the class here now. So you can go for your class, okay?
Okay, thanks, sir.
All right. Thank you very much. God bless you.